Let's start our most basic breathing. That's 3 seconds or less. Breathe in. 6 seconds. Breathe out. Start with the most basic. Then we begin to increase a little bit the rate of your breath, longer, into different modules. Let's start. Stick tongue to the up hard palate. Deeply inhale. Out. Exhale. In. X. In. Out. 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 Hold it. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Okay, this time we're going to do a little bit deeper and still do 9 times. Okay, stick tongue to the up hard palate. Deeply breathe in out, in, 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 out, hold it, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Just sit for 1 minute, silently breathe in and out. Okay, I want to see if you can write a comment, see what do you see, what do you feel, and this is the first stage on your basic breathing. And also put a comment over there, what do you see, what do you feel. And we have done about 3-4 podcasts. And this is the first time we get into action. I want to see if you can follow, or you cannot follow, or you see it's short and long. And what do you feel? What do you see? What do you observe? Or what do you get into? And what is your proposition? And what is your thing that you want to resolve in your life? And then what is your mental and physical conditions, thoughts? Can you get into the calmness? Can you get into the deep meditation? Can you get into the self-empowered energy? Can you release the tension? Can you release the past? Can you let it go of the past? Can you release yourself into the emptiness instead of stuck without a blockage, without a chaotic frequency, with the past conformity, the past brainwash, or past conditioned mind, conformed mind? Let me know, and then we discuss together. Thank you.